Hey rail fans, it's Bruce. I'm in Plant City, Florida at the Martin Luther King Jr. Road crossing. And a while ago I did a short video here and there was an extra rail, continuously welded rail, cut in the road beside the existing track. Well, now they have replaced it. The new piece of rail is in, but it's still in with the old ties. You can see the new spikes in the shoulder plates there. All new spikes, but old shoulder plates. And a lot of the new ties are still here. You can see the piles of new ties there on the other side of the porta potty. So they're partway done with the job. I don't know if they're going to open the line up for a few days and then close it back to do this, or waiting for the machinery. So we'll see. Thanks for watching.